Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to revise assignment 4. In assignment 4, you were asked to create a game, adding at least 3 sprites, adding 2 legend codes, using velocity codes. Okay, you had a sample. We had a sample for the game, the flyer game. I would like to say thank you for those who submitted their assignment, but I guess not all of you, but some of you had problems with the game. We're going to check like 3 samples from your assignments, definitely without mentioning the game, and we're going to correct those assignments here in the video. In sample 1, when we click run, okay, we're having a character here. When we move the character up, the character will keep on moving up. To recorrect the move of the character, first of all, we need to have a gravity simulation code. How to create a gravity simulation code? By using the velocity y with a plus counter. Here we have a gravity simulation code written in a wrong way. Boy.velocity x equals boy.velocity y. Correct boy.velocity x to be boy.velocity y. Okay, reset and run. Okay, now we're having gravity simulation. Reset, run, moving up, okay, it will move. If we're going to use a velocity with a minus value, we need to change key down to key went down. So from what we said before, key went down will fire the action only once. So we need to click only one time on the up arrow and use a velocity with a minus or a plus sign. But here we're having up, that's why we need to minus to decrease the y and raising the character up. Okay, key down right. Boy.velocity x equals boy.velocity y. So change boy.velocity y as we're moving to the right. So we need to increase the x value. Okay, and we have key down, so we're going to use a velocity x with a plus counter. So sprite dot velocity x, okay, and the left one is correct. Reset, run, moving up and to the right. Okay, it will move to the right, up again and to the right. Okay, to the left, up, moving to the right, and so on. Here we have another assignment. Click reset and run. The bunny is moving up, okay, and he's bouncing off when he touches the character in the middle. Okay, he moves right and left, okay, and yes, and when he touches one of the frames of the screen, he went out. At the end of the classwork video, I said there is a mistake with the frame I draw in the animation. The size has a mistake. That's why I asked you to download the one I uploaded on Moodle and use it. Okay, we're having an uploaded vertical frame and horizontal frame in the assignment, okay, in assignment 4. Here, So instead of drawing the frames, frame 1 and 2, delete them. Okay, delete. And this one, the same as this one. Okay, and upload the frames after downloading them from Moodle. Okay, here we have the vertical one and the horizontal one. Then moving to the code. Okay, here and the left frame we're going to select the vertical one, and in the right frame we're going to select the vertical one too. In the down we're going to select the horizontal one, and there is no top frame. Run and check what do we have now. Yes, this is the up frame. Select horizontal one. Okay, now reset and run. When we try to move up, okay, the bunny will move. Okay, when he touches the top of the screen, he will bounce off and get inside. If we leave the arrows, okay, he will touches the bottom of the screen and bounce up again, moving up and so on. Okay, here we have a last example. What if we need to add a score to our game? Okay, what if we need to add a score to our game? When the character touches the fly, he will take a point. When he touches the bug, he will lose point. To create score, we need a variable. Why do we need a variable? We said before, variables are memory locations that hold changeable data, and score is considered a changeable data that will be decreased and increased. So we're going to move to variables. Var x equals space or a value is for declaring a variable and giving it an initial value. Declaring or creating the variable should be done outside the drawing loop. Name it score. Okay, add a 0 as a starting value. We still have an error as we didn't use our variable, so we're going to use the variable in the two if statements here. If the boy is touching the bee, we need to add a value, adding a 1 to the score. So score from math plus 1, score plus 1. Okay, and if he touches the bug, we need to subtract 1. So again, from variables, drag the using block here, and from math we're going to subtract 1 from score. Okay, there is no variable called x, so change x to score and reset. Run. Nothing displayed here. To display the score here on the screen, we need to first of all add a label for the score. So from draw, as if we're adding a normal text from here, scroll down for text. Okay, it will be here after the background score. We need it here 88, 61, so 88 and 61. We need to increase the size of the text. So text size should be before the text itself. Make it 25, and we need to change the color, so fill color in black. Okay, and it should be after the background. Okay, run. Now we're having our score here. We need to display the score itself. What will be written inside the two quotations will be displayed on the screen as a label or as a title. It will never change. To display the value of the variable, we need another drawing text block. This one, okay, and type the name of the variable without quotation, so score. Okay, it should be run here, so 150 and sorry, I'm changing this one, 150 and 61, the same y. Run. Okay, 0. Okay, if he touches the bug, it should be -1. Okay, and remember there are no frames here, that's why he went out. Okay, we need to catch a fly. Okay, here's +1. Thanks for watching, and thanks for submitting your assignments, but please make sure to check your codes and try to play the game before submitting your homework. Okay? Please.